Control Panel Dashboard. The dashboard can be found on the right-hand corner of the page, right beside the My Account link. Just click on the dashboard link to get into the dashboard. The landing page is the Aggregate Data tab. User can view graphs and data on the reservations, room nights, DWH revenue, and hotel revenue. View details of each point in the graph through mouse hover. This is the bottom half of the control panel. Filters and drill downs can be done by markets, sales partners, and hotels. Please note that only hotels that are already live can be viewed in the dashboard. Hotels categorized as demo are not shown in the dashboard regardless if they are already live. On the control panel dashboard, a user can filter and show date based on check-in date or transaction date. Also, a user can filter based on period coverage. Choosing custom option will require the user to set start and end dates. User can view graphs and data on reservations, room nights, DWH revenue, and hotel revenue. View details of each points in the graph through mouse hover. DWH revenue is based on transaction date. Hotel revenue data is based on check-in date. User can view any of the specific data tab in Chart View or Table View. User can also drill down by market, sales partners, or local coaches, and hotel. User can filter data by market to country. User can filter data by market to country to city. User can filter data by market to country to city to hotel.